Assalamu alaikum, my people. Assalamu alaikum. How is the Ramadan? This is your girl Fatmata, the assistant to Dr. Bukhari, the international pain healer, who heals all types of body pain in just 5 minutes with the words of Allah. That is Allahu Akbar, and through the spiritual powers he inherited from his forefathers. Apart from Dr. being a medical doctor, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and during the research, apart from Dr. being a pain healer, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and his research was based on human organs and organics. And during the research, during the research, he developed a plant called fervent, and that fervent extract a leaf from it and made some syrups out of it. And again, his research was based on human organs and organics. He developed a plant by mixing 3 different types of plant using the dot card and bullshit you. But that's how he developed the plant by himself. And after developing the plant, he extracted it from it and made some syrups out of it. As you can see, we have different types of medicines here. This is one of them. This is called the Embark hair spray. This Embark hair spray is a spray that is used to cure cirrhosis. It is used to control scalp buildup. It is used to stop the intense scalp aging, and it make your hair grow and make your hair strong. It is also very good. And another way around, it's not only for the hair, it is also for the skin. Like when you have cirrhosis around your skin, when you have skin infection, skin disease, allergic reaction, you have rash, all the smallpox, chickenpox, itching, skin itching or itching, irritation, like anything that's like itching and irritations, like infections, it clear everything up, and it clear everything up within 2 to 3 days or even 1 week. And the aging will stop and everything, like it will be normal. And again, moreover, it's not only for the skin too and the hair, it is also an antifungal which fight fungi against fungi in our body. Like as we all know, we cannot see fungi with our naked eyes unless we take a microscope. Fungi cannot be seen with our naked eyes unless we take a microscope. So you see, it's an antifungal spray which is very, very good. It's very good for the skin, it's very good for infections, it's very good for the hair. You see, it's very, very effective. It's a leaf based and it's 100% natural and it's 100% leaf. It has no side effect, it has no chemical, it has no nothing. Like if you apply it, you have allergic reaction. You can spray it throughout your body when you have cirrhosis, and everything will be dried after within 2 to 3 days. We also have this. We also have a medicine called a dropad. It's a pain relief dropad, which was based on research, which was based on his research of 22 years. Though doctor is someone who healed all different types of pain. He cures body pain in just 5 minutes. But the dropad was based on his research. It's a pain relief dropad. It was based on his research of 22 years. In case if you cannot come to the clinic, or if you need the dropad by yours, like around, like anytime you feel pain, you just drop it at the affected area, and everything will be gone in 30 to 20 minutes. And again, we also have this. This is called the Embark oral liquid. This Embark oral liquid is a liquid that is used to control diabetes. It is used to control high blood pressure. It is used to control constipation. It is used to control bile, and it is used to control gastric. It used to control gastric, high blood. Yes, it controls high blood because it's having vitamin A, B, C, and D, and also it's 100% natural leaf, and it's a leaf base. It's 100% effective, and also There is no chemical in it. There is no chemical in it, and if you start taking it, it will definitely cure your high blood, your pressure. Your pressure will be down. Like, because we used to take an example, like when people came to our clinic, we used to, like, we take their BB and then check the blood, and then after giving them this syrup for some minutes, when we check again, everything used to be calm, everything used to be normal. Like, even though it's not even normal, that's normal, because we should have wait until after 1 hour, then we check. But within the 20 minutes we used to check, it used to be like at the, not at the normal, but just close to the normal level. I don't know, normal rate, I don't know, normal average, yeah. So, and for diabetes too, and for the high blood, if you are taking this, like if you buy this medicine and you are having this medicine at home and you are taking it, please, if you take it for 1 month, you have to buy, maybe if you have a BP tester, you can just test your BP, your high blood pressure, when the thing is down or when it's at the normal area or when it's high. You'll be able to know, so that you can, like, if your pressure is okay, you can just pack the medicine and leave it for sometimes, maybe if your pressure is high again. Because you know, for pressure to be high, we need to, like, for us to stabilize our pressure, like our blood pressure, we need to be very, very careful of what we eat, especially when the doctor said don't do this, don't eat this, or stop this. We have to be very, very careful about it. But if you don't avoid the doctor, like you don't follow an instruction, or you don't go by the subscription that the doctor gave you, if you just say, let me just eat it, it's fine, I'm having a medicine every day, then every day you're taking this medicine, because you cannot be taking something that will just that will keep increasing your pressure, like just, you know, just adding up your pressure, you know. So, and you are still taking the medicine, that means that you will keep taking this medicine unless you stop that particular food that they ask you to stop, and focus on the medicine and focus on your health. And also for the diabetes, if you have diabetes and you didn't buy this medicine, you have to come for it. You have to take this medicine and buy it. Like when you buy it, if you have the pin, like the needle, the injection they used to inject, like to test whether the sugar level is at a normal rate, you buy it. If you don't buy it, if you cannot, like if you're gonna afford it, just go to the hospital and they will do it for you. Like they will just do it for you free and check your sugar. So you can be taking this for like 2 to 3 days, or even one week. Then after you go and check your sugar and check your blood and see how it goes. And also it controls the constipation. For the constipation, it's an immediate effect. Like no need for you to go to the doctor when you are experiencing constipation and you take this drug. Just relax for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, you start running from the toilet to your house, like from the toilet to your room. So for the constipation, it's an immediate effect. And also it controls bile. As we all know, constipation leads to bile. So constipation leads to bile. So in order, if you were able to control your constipation, it will not lead to bile, and you will not have anything associated with bile. But if you don't control your constipation, you will definitely deal with bile. And some people, I learned that some people inherit, like they inherit the thing is in their lineage. So that one is a bit difficult. Yeah, the one that is in their lineage is a bit difficult, but alhamdulillah, when you come to us, we have the medicine, everything will gone, everything will be okay, you will not feel pain. Even if you want to go to the toilet, you can go to the toilet without any pain. So you get it. So if you were able to control your constipation, you will be able to control the bile too. And also, it also controls the gastric. For the gastric, you know, we have different types of gastric. There are some types of gastric that, like, there are some types of that gastric that are like when you are hungry you feel pain, when you are full up you feel pain, when you sometimes you feel like something is working inside you, or sometimes when you even eat some certain types of food you vomit. So we have different types of gastric, but it's for all gastric, it's for all gastric patients, it's for all ulcer patients, because this medicine is something that it's not hot. Wallahi, if you take this medicine, inside you used to be very cold, it used to be very warm, as if they just poured you cold water. It's very cold, and the medicine itself is not cold. You see, the syrup is here right now, it's not cold, but immediately after taking it, I'll feel like I just take a cold thing, and it used to wash your heart, like when you are breathing, when you are walking, and all this heartbreak and hard works. Yes, it also clean everything. It's also clean all the hearts and everything. So the medicine is very good, and it's only available at our clinic at Dr. Bukhari. You can only have this at Dr. Bukhari in Gambia. You cannot have this in any of Gambian hospitals or any of Gambian clinic. It's only available at Gambia, and it's only available at our clinic. So if you need and even at it's also available at Amazon, Pakistan, and Angola. It's available at Japan too. So if you want to call us, you can call us on this number 2078 568 2078 568 2078 568 2078 568. That's our office line. If you need the medicine, if you need any of these drugs, you can just call the number. We will direct you, or you can just call the number and tell the guy that you need the drug. We have another thing that we call the eye leaf. The eye leaf is very important. It's very effective, and it's 100% natural, and it's a leaf. It's in a leaf form, and it's a leaf base. The eye leaf is for the eye patients, like those who are blind, and we also have the eye drop. It's for the eye patient for the same purpose, for those who are blind. But the eye drop, even if you are not blind, you can apply that, because even me, I used to apply it. Like I used to use the drop on me. So even you are not blind, you can use the eye drop. It's to clear your eyes. There is too much dust outside. So if you, and we are selling the eye drop too. The eye drop is available at the clinic. If you need the eye drop to make things clear for you, just come to our clinic. The eye drop is 300 and you get it. And another thing, we have the M-Olga powder. This M-Olga powder is a powder that is used for toothache. Like for example, when your tooth is paining, all you need to do is just take a pinch of it and apply it to the affected area. If you apply it to the affected area, within 20 to 30 minutes, everything will be gone. So but if you want, you can even make it as a tea. You see, you can just put it in a boiled water, you add the powder, and then you filter it and you take it as a tea. But you taking as a tea should go with an interval, like an interval of maybe, if you say 6 hours 3 times a day, or 2 hours 8 times a day. So you have to be on a regular interval. Not today you take, or tomorrow you take, or maybe a day I take in the morning, then within one hour I take again, or within this I take again. Now you should be on a regular interval if you wanted to take it as a tea, and you filter everything. It's very effective. It's also in a leaf base, and it's 100% natural. So if anybody needs this, no need for you to go to the dentist. If you have toothache, no need for you to go to the dentist. Just come to our clinic. No need for you to seal, or no need for you to remove your teeth. Just come to our clinic. If you come to our clinic, you will have this thing. Everything is available. Like everything is available intact. Another thing, we have another medicine that is for impotence and infertile, for those who cannot have a child, like they have been intermarried for so long, and to have a child has been something that has really disturbed them, like they have difficulties in having a child. We also have that medicine here. If anybody needs it, you can just contact me. You can just contact me on this number 2078 568. And also we also have this is called the MP. This MP is a leaf, is a muscle bandage leaf, which works by relaxing the muscles to free and to let the blood to flow free in the vein. As you can see, it's the father of the medicine. It's very effective, and also it's very effective, and also it's for all body pain. It's for all body pain, ribs, backs, head, everything. Like it works. This thing works like a miracle. Like when you apply this thing to your pain, even you have been with the pain for like years, it's like 10-15 years, if you apply this MP leaf to it, everything will be normal, everything will be fine. You will relieve from your pain, your blood will flow free, your veins will open. You know what I mean? You know, sometimes it's the pain we feel is just that our blood are stuck in the vein. So when we apply the medicine there, the leaf there, it will open the vein and the blood will circulate. So but sometimes when we have like injuries, or when you have body pain, you know, if you apply this leaf to any pain, you see, if you sit for 20 to 30 minutes, you start feeling the heat. The heat is coming in, and it's like something is punching you. You see, it's like something is punching you outside. It's just like this thing, operation or operation without a machine. Yes, this medicine is very hot and it's very effective. So if anybody needs it, you can just come for it, please. If you need it, you can come for the drug. It's available. It's available at the, how to call it? It's available at the pharmacy. Yeah, at the clinic. You can come for it. It's available. You can come for it if anybody needs it. It's also available in Pakistan. It's also available in Japan, and it's also available in Canada and Angola. We have this, and Amazon. We have it at Amazon. So please don't hesitate to come to the clinic and buy these syrups. Like, they are very good ones. Like, they are effective and they are all leaf based. We have been receiving compliments from the medicines, from our treatment lately. Like, we are doing a very good work. We are doing a very good job, because some people have been with their sickness for so long, and now, like, for so long, and they haven't recovered. But Alhamdulillah, today with doctor, everything seems to be okay. Like, some people are even coming still, like they are not like before. Like, the pain has reduced a bit. But I always used to tell them that when you have this pain for so long, like the pain has been with you for many years, you cannot just come and have a treatment on that day and you expect to be relieved. It's not a gene thing. He is a human being, and he used the powers he inherited. So if you cannot be healed on that day, on that very spot, you have to try the leaf. If you try the leaf and you feel like that I'm better, but it's not fully recovered, you have to try again. So you keep trying and trying and trying again, will lead I don't know how to say it, will lead to the cure, will lead you to relief from the pain. Yes, it will lead you to relief from the pain. Like, if you start taking the treatment gradually, start taking the treatment, you will relieve from the pain, inshallah, by the grace of God, if you did not see it behind Allah. So you see, and also, like, the medicine is very good for constipation. That is this leaf. This leaf also is good for constipation, and it is with an immediate effect. Like, when you experiencing constipation, if you experience constipation, like your tummy is stuck, like nothing is coming out, when you apply this to the abdomen side, the external part, when you apply it and plaster it, just relax for 20-30 minutes. It's an immediate effect. You will start running from the toilet. And also, yeah, for now, I explain. I think we still have more and more, and then on the way coming, and some are at the hospital, at the clinic right now. So I think I need to explain in Mandinka. That's my language. Badi Mandinko mamubi kontrana. Ntal natali ko tenke fan matalam alteri mal badi ma comme nata pour docteur rek pour yalla every time ko tok makilon mi faka docteur jaral aka jaralo ko nyami ana jaralo bunda tuwando wato bidol ba jonding wala na manje wala na mamoy so wala na every time katra danis alam sa hello, hi. Well, every time katara kom makina repeat ka because dol batara janne min yang ko banki baro mela bari ta mela fonda kono like itangela wala itanki baro mela. Okay, nami sotale ko molam doctor kalbe ana nyama to mulde mi an ko jara do ke jara la balam gamia bangko kan aka gamia dingon atata pour que gamia dingon ma koy andum fanan aka jaru kan ni kuma ko mina wala ala tutu wala Allahu Akbar aka wala use aning ala spiritual powers I mean inherit ala forefathers ul blow kono wala mul blow kono so amamul blow kono I spiritual powers may inherit amamul blow kono and how to call it again akamul jara wala anu balabedi moda wedi balabedi minata nyin docteur ke mutale ay jara anu niata fana ko minata docteur ya ay duate amay jara no like ele di moya feel like la ko di mo be bala still isina no na woro do na boro sotale le boro be bi ga fami leaf o leaf ni ko la le primary sa ela ko sa taria docteur duake na leaf boro jambo fana le okay woto ko la docteur kata molde mi yalla kata kiskis dadi andala kiskis ro kono ala kiskis ro lanko na fanna mu famindi wala harba dingo bala jatu nin kono to bantani hata ma dingo bala jatu bantani kono to bi ani yiri famon andum fana alo kiskis ro kono ta yiro ja I mean develop e ka fami ko fem o fem ning aya develop nyaadile wala ay yiri din sa wala muta ay nyami kabra ay nyami dot crafting procedure use wala dot crafting procedure ni mi agri keba understand what I mean by that so come abra yuta another develop another plan nim ta ya develop kabring I plan nim develop plan nim fa meda algami jetan ding ika fa ne this the leaf extract from the fem plant another ya to la ko fem kabra to la bori je fa na daga bori mi an ko mu bori kende ba balati bori betema balam boro mi an ko tesu to la gami banko kan lato namange Dr. Bukhari fon yati boro mi yalon ko amantara Gambia hospital amantara Gambia clinic to fana ko Dr. Bukhari la clinic ko ta boro to nyimu siro ko mi yalon ko niami akasasatan jara ay akasasatan jara harba ni ko bala jatu kono andum fana ay ku ken tan fana ke balu kono because abeti atala akasasa jama la jara mba folo ni sasa mina kam jara waram diabetes ti ikan ni ko diabetes waram sukur kuran ni mo mi sukur kuran soto imari ba nyumboro mika o de nyane ke haklo do muro mi ne an fe bado maka because a kesti pal kana le ka comme a kesti pal ko sotale ika tuwabol ka fe ko like nyim do mo fa wala nyim do mo fa wala but yalla mo fu ngalo ku nyaare ke ka ko ñu wala fante no muro bande bande no muro bula but it's for your own good the more you have the more you will live long like so ni o mo fa bula you are taking this syrup e mi syrup ko ta rek ibajere le ku nyaani ngata effectively balu kono aba borlale because about jekan ko he ndamo silawo asaitale like sawatale right now like say sawatale ni moto je mina fe ko fananto e ka fami high blood ni ni mo fana yalla ko high blood bi la ni mboro be bul wala mam boro ni soto isina no na clinique de boro ni sang hani ka be ni boro ni fana sang ni ka boro ni mingna after 3 days wala 1 week maybe daily from ni BP test be la bu bare sa la kele do check ya wele do wa fana tan no mi do fa jam fatare wa fa ba sele na wala fa wa jili na wala ni la heart rate be ni moto do fana aka gastric constipation o fana aka constipation o fana jarale like constipation o ako fana kala with an immediate effect fongol with an immediate effect aka constipation o kani wala like constipation o adaka jarale with an immediate effect niatra constipation o soro ibalare like en jiu boroming for some minutes ikajele ikono ke bay ikajele borle vitale binala so wala nan ka foko constipation is an immediate effect payal fanan ako fanan control ba yala ni momi yela constipation no control ila payal sotol alhamdulillah bal momi yang kamala constipation no control wala ka payal develop anu niya develop na trafa groda akadimile payal kadimile akadine buka sino so mbadi janda wata tabala wona makani forinyol alwol limit bang alwol limit aliyewol tala pour alkono kana ja pour alkana payal soto because the form banyu pour wa fekam buka do mo men sifa sasa sifa soto bari hani ka bini ya kana mo fane asoto isina no docteur ya fela le Senegambia opposite ko bank just ni asmen lodge na clinique ko bale wala to and again fana aka gastric fana jarale ni ko gastric sifa siatale aka gastric sifa bele jara also gastric wa ka be jara ni suku gastric aka be jara kaliata ma gastric aka be jara the gastric ko be jara hada ma dingo balu kono ani burata burle mi yalla ko bori kenna balam like bori kenna balam hello bori kande bala mi yalon ko it's very very good abeta ta han madi ngobala jatu fon konole hani ala da fo yimang ni sa salbi fon soto fan ni nyim boro mi ifon kan ko ya you are taking something ni na bonni wodo nata bori do mi yalon ko amantara jang so wala na mi bulam bulan kam boro mi yani min mantara jang bori do ba clinique auto jele na bori do fana soto le ga famille pain relief dropat ni pain relief dropat atamu droplet mi yalon ko doctor fon la kisi ala kisi do ko ra fon la in over 22 years abani dropat ni kam like he finally came out with it and come be ala nyama doctor mo mi yalon ngata pain la hin para ni dropat ni fanna pour ka hada madingal fana ma koy pour ka se woni mi yalon ko singal mom futano jam doctor fana mom futano la ni la ta dropat ni sang so dropat ni sanno dropat ni mo la fa san alsa sanno like available in the clinic water right now. So another thing fanang wala nyinti ni ikafanya ni orga hair spray ni orga hair spray mu spray te mi yalon ko ate beti ata la cirrhosis la jani osteoporosis wala chuputin ngal mi ka findi dino ngal ko kono fa ka fiyor soto ak wala jara ani ngata na ay karaso fanan soto ak karaso fanan contrôler andum fanan akati na le karaso fanan buke nganya like ik mo ka firi la from scratching your hair aka firi wo be lale anda ke so kun suñu anda ke ko nitini le andum fanan amaka pro da mati amu skin fanan tele for the skin also skin cirrhosis skin erasi skin rash skin infection skin disease abe anyways is skin something so ni ajere ni o fanan be soto wala allergic reaction ni o fanan be soto when you spray this thing within 2 or 3 days ikajela everything clear, everything disappear. But I think it's very very effective and it's very very good. Moreover, it's not only for the skin, it's not only for the head, it is also for the it is also an antifungal spray which fight against fungi in our body system. As we all know, we cannot see fungi with our naked eyes, like fungi cannot be seen with our naked eyes unless we take a microscope. So to be at the safer side, I think we need sorry for that. To be at the safer side, we need this spray aside us. We need this spray anywhere we are going because it's portable and you can carry it at anywhere, and it's very very effective. It's a leaf base, as you can see. It is also an extract from the fervent, and it's very very good because abeti atale nyimu spray mi yalon ko antifungal mi ala mo antifungal wala ko fungal kele hada wadi ngo bala jatu kono akatina ita virus o nying abuke batandi ko ali yalo nyamen. So comme niata momo lafta ni ne senano docteur ba janne clinique auto is very very good. Comme sambi majira sambi na time bana so mitala le like mita break and then after namuru Facebook. You all stay tuned for Facebook too to hear more and more about Bukhari. So ali ajale nyimbe atala pour kun suñu abeti atala pour bala jatu andu fana abeti atala pour virus o mi anu ka timbalo bala buka kala moto. Okay, na bori do fana so de ka famille ko iga fole ko eye leaf and eye drop wo mu fennati mi yalon ko pour nyalam nyaadi min tol finkinte min yalon ko nyaal jaw yada wala nyaal case ma wara ngol be treat le and again will be available thank God, I have to call it at the clinic, but we are selling the eye drop now. The eye drop is available. We are early March, late March, late March. I was announcing that like drop out. Some people were asking about the eye drop, and I was like, the new consignment are on the way, but they are already here, and we start selling the medicines. So if you don't come early, you will not have it because it's limited in stock. Okay, we also have the MP. Ni MP nying alka nyimi je ka fanyi ne MP nying ka tama nyameng wala ni maria pul kono di moso ni maria di moso mi yanu ko ke batandile like ika yinata ya bandage je ya plaste balo ban ya plaste balo bal fo 14 hours after na bondi ko alga nyi leaf mi jetande nyi leaf fo mu leaf la de mi yanu ko leaf forobalam nyi leaf forobalam because hani atara niatare di momete bala like ila di momete bala nyame fo hani loptan fo ma jara loptan fo bu ka fenye idala fe di momete bala wotani doctor ka jara woto mu alhamdulillah balati ni doctor boros do mi yan ko aba hilla la gradually every time aba hilla le mu alhamdulillah balati nyimboro nak atam wo boro ti mi yan ko ibalo dawda kedi mi bala kulu di mo be dawda nyimboro mu tayata ya use ena loptan to na keje because mboka poto wafi so nimba wafi danka afenke la kanyandele na wafi because a temperature fana amana katara panta for that so long because ala temperature mo nyini ka wanta ba effective na buri do fana so talele ka fa mi ko this how to call it na boro so de ka fa boro mi yano ko ka fa pour que ni musol mi yano ko ka fa le importance english ka ane muso la sal karo de ka fa le infertile so comme musol ni ken mi yano ko meta futu wala le man dingo so dingo kaliate bulu koti mi yano ko yela fanga bela tas yela fanga bela janjam pour ka dingo nyini pour ka bure mulia pour e duwa ke pare hani ka bi mo succeed no like modol bije like mo succeed no na boru fana so tale jenne ni mo lafte bina treatment ta okay na boru do fana so tale pour que bi kam ndingol mi yanon ko like ibuka imam bambang laran kan like ika jiju na le like ika boy juna le o boru fana bi janne so wala mbadingol balbe kontana albe sinana like mobe nana ni atara albe lafta boro nyina albe sinano clinico to na clinico fela le Senegambia opposite ko bank just near smell lodge wala ni momo lafta ka time book with me just text me privately and we book time and you have to be specific about the time and the date so you see ni now fana omu orga podal di ni orga podal di mi yanu ko ata pumpuru ni moldi ni mare nyanga kedi mi iba mimbe kala walam iba fun mun ko ndingo yina tala yake ni ho kono dame kedi mi na ye sabay relax ni sa sino no fay sino ni barete da kuchu wala ni atre mo keno isa nyin keno like yake timul ngoti ni yake titi yake je nana ko jambolam atiba di yala le atiba diara even though maka TV but atiba diara kala banyame ni patra ya filter ni parita then you can take it on a regular interval man nakana like randomly I want to take this medicine no there should be a regular interval between so you have to know at what time to take medicine or at what time to do this or do that so no wala sota le jang comme ñindi mo la mi yana ko ama ñeri maneta de disu ya pour que ñoo sil anna docteur bor kendo sota le an docteur la ñu borol be they are all in leaf based they are all 100% natural and nothing has a chemical and so alia jale how to call it minala kuma do fana fala like ba min ofakang na loptano to like we are offering so many things like we are offering free duas like from 4 to 5 on TikTok. We are offering free duas from 4 to 5 and again we are offering free duas at traffic light after around 9 after iftar. If you know that you cannot come to the clinic or you cannot visit the clinic due to some circumstances, just go to traffic light at 9 o'clock. Amna is because of the Ramadan, he is doing at 9 o'clock, but maybe he will reschedule it later. So 9 o'clock you can go to traffic light. The doctor is there. The doctor will be there, and he will make duas for you. And if you wish, you can take your whole family to him so that he can make duas for both of them, for both of you guys. And again, the doctor is making another offer to children under 10 below. The treatment is free for them. Like 10 years below, the treatment is free for all children. And again, the treatment is free for the blind birds. Like the blind patients is free of charge. Yes, we are not charging any blind person to pay consultant fee or to pay for the leaves or to pay for the eye drop. Treatment for those two are free. Those two are free. And again, the doctor is making another assignment. he's giving us another assignment by telling people that when you come to the clinic, if you buy the consultant fee once, do not buy it again. Do not buy it again. Just come and tell just tell the gatekeeper that you have an appointment with the doctor. He will take you to the doctor. So no need for you to do this, or no need for you to do that. If you cannot also provide, if you cannot come to the clinic, just go to traffic light. That's the best. If you go to the traffic light, you have you have free doors. Even though the medicines are not among, because this drug is a separate thing from free. It's a separate thing from free. All the drugs are separate thing from the fee, because they also ship the medicine with a high cost. So they can even dash it out to people, but they cannot just come and just give it out like that without settling, or without to ship all these things. It's very, very costly, and Gambia nowadays is very costly. So please, if anybody needs it, you can just come to the clinic at Senegambia opposite Akbar, just near Smell Lodge, or you come to or you take this number 20785668, 20785668, 20785668. Bye. My time is almost up. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you all.